Dear travelers, we're thrilled to present the detailed itinerary for our Go Black to Africa journey, offering a captivating exploration of Angola's culture, heritage, and business opportunities. Here's what to expect. August 20th, arrival in Luanda. Check-in at Beulah Guest House in Kamama, Luanda. Welcome and orientation for all travelers. Enjoy complimentary breakfast and dinner at the guest house. Rest and relaxation as we await the arrival of all participants. August 21st, discovering Luanda. Explore Angola's markets, museums, and Musalu Island. Indulge in beach activities and enjoy a delicious meal. Visit the first museum and immerse ourselves in local culture. Return to Beulah Guest House for dinner. August 22nd, journey to Malanje. Travel to Malanje to witness the breathtaking waterfalls. Spend the day exploring nature's wonders and relaxing in this picturesque setting. Return to Luanda in the evening and enjoy dinner at the guest house. August 23rd, return to Luanda. Attend services at the Tabernacle, Revelation, and Healing. Explore the city of Luanda and visit museums showcasing its history. Enjoy dinner at Beulah Guest House. August 24th, engaging with Tokoist Church. Visit the Tokoist Church and meet with its leaders. Discuss business opportunities, visa requirements, and housing options. Explore agricultural prospects and investment opportunities. Return to the guest house for dinner. August 25th, journey to Mbanza Kongo. Depart from Mbanza Kongo, driving to the hotel. Settle in and prepare for exploration the next day. Enjoy dinner at the hotel. August 26th, exploring the Congo. Explore various attractions in Mbanza Kongo. Gain insights into the region's history and culture. Return to Luanda in the evening and have dinner at Beulah Guest House. August 27th, business opportunities. Visit our business establishments and farming sites. Learn about business opportunities and visa requirements. Attend services at the Tabernacle for spiritual renewal. Enjoy dinner at Beulah Guest House. August 28th, departure. Enjoy a leisurely breakfast at the guest house. Check out for travelers flying home. Option to extend your stay at Beulah Guest House and explore further. Please note, breakfast and dinner are complimentary for all 8 days of the trip. We hope this itinerary excites you for the incredible journey ahead. For any questions or further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Email word.globen.es@gmail.com. Extended stay and private tours. For those who wish to extend their stay in Angola, we offer the opportunity to remain longer and continue exploring at your own pace. Additionally, we provide private tours tailored to your preferences. Whether you want to visit specific places or stay in particular hotels, we can arrange a customized experience just for you, without the need to follow the structured travel guide. As we return home, let's carry with us the lessons learned and the memories cherished. Let's continue to nurture the connections we've made and the dreams we've shared. And let's never forget the spirit of adventure and exploration that has guided us on this remarkable journey. Email word.globen.es@gmail.com.